how to make rava dosa.
Yes.
So we put as a short other day. Everybody liked it.
Yeah, me like it. Every time you wake up, stunning.
And we're gonna show you the recipe how to make rava dosa. And also, you guys been asking where we got this grill. So we're gonna post the link. This is where we got our grill, our tawa, our flat top. We bought it in United States, based Amazon, but I'm not sure if you guys can get in other country. But let's get into the video.
Yes.
So I have here rice flour. So I'm gonna put 2 cups of rice flour. So also this is my wife. I'm showing to my wife, so my wife can learn or she can cook whenever she feels like it. She's one of her favorite dosa. This is the rava dosa.
Actually, I love rava dosa. Last time when I was making it, I did not mix it. So this time, this video actually is gonna help me so much to know how to make rava dosa. So I don't know, do you want me to bring the camera closer so they can see what you're doing?
So I already put 2 cups of rice flour. And
what is this?
this is rava.
Okay.
This is called suji, coarse wheat farina. You can get it in the Indian store. If you're in America or anywhere, you can get it in the Indian store. This is called suji rava or suji coarse wheat farina. So this is the one we use. So I put 1 cup of rava, which is suji or farina. I set it up here. A little bit turmeric just for color. This is the cumin seeds, jeera. I turn on the hot plate already, a grill already.
It's at
so it's
400
hot.
right
Yeah,
now.
it's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is a peppercorn.
See, I wouldn't remember all these names.
This is asafoetida, is a hing a little bit. Okay, I have chopped ginger. I have a chopped chili. I have some curry leaves. You guys can see how it's smoking right now there. Some salt. I put a little bit maida, which is all-purpose flour. Here's some water. I'll mix it. So I put the water, like a good amount of water, because when you put rava or the farina, so it's gonna get it's gonna get thicker. So that's the reason. So it's ready. Just check the salt.
It's good.
Yeah, salt is good.
Wow.
So,
okay. That's how simple it is.
yeah, very simple. I have the spoon ready. All I need some. You can put onions if you want. All I need some oil.
Oh, you want me to get an oil for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
See, this is a good consistency, but I will put a little bit more water. Okay, you see, it's getting thicker. So I think this is a good consistency. So there is oil here.
Here comes the best part.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been there inside. So you guys already saw how my wife poured dosa, but this time we're not showing dosa how to pour it.
Yeah.
So it's literally easy. Just make sure, there's no too much gap. I think that's enough.
Wow.
So let it cook and dosa is gonna be ready. So this is how you make rava dosa. And
I have to wait for the final result.
Yeah, we're gonna show the final result. So you see, this is a good consistency. This is how you make a rava dosa mix, and you pour it, but leave it longer. Don't do anything right now. When is dosa's ready, it's gonna rise by itself. It's easy to remove it, and once it's cooked, you can put oil. So I'll show you guys how to put oil too. So right now it's getting ready. So leave it the way it is. Like I said, for the flat top, the link is going to be down below. We got it from Amazon, based on the United States.
And you can get it from any other local store if you live here in the United States, in Target, Walmart. Yeah, so just again, We're gonna leave the link down below. You can check it out and see which style you want.
And also, this is called Hamilton Beach. That's the brand we have.
Yes.
Oh wow, smells good. Peanut oil. This is what I was saying. I was telling you. See, when the dosa is ready, it's gonna come by itself. Okay, so the oil is enough. If it's too thick like this, you can do like mix it like that. You can make it like a clean.
It's not professional. We're not in the restaurant.
Yeah, we're not in the restaurant. In the restaurant, what do? We just scrap everything, not the thick part. But since it's our house, I'm not gonna do anything. So it's already cooked for it's been for a long time. Look at the color, guys. Look at this.
Oh, cool.
Wow. This is how you make rava dosa. So this is how you make rava dosa. You guys see the color, nice color. I'm gonna put in the plate. Here. Voila! Rava dosa is ready.
Wow. This is really good. Looking amazing. See this?
I'm gonna make another one, okay, baby?
Wow. Yeah. You can smell the ginger, all the stuff that you put inside. Oh, it smells really good.
And also when you put oil, when you put coconut oil, it smells so good too. All right.
Yes. So leave your comment down below. Everybody cooks different.
Yeah, this is my style.
Yes.
So you guys saw how what did I put, right? 2 cups of rice flour, 1 cup of rava, which is suji or farina, wheat farina. I put ginger, I put green chili, I put cumin seeds and peppercorn seeds, asafoetida or hing, and some salt and a little bit of all-purpose flour just for binding, and I put peanut oil for taste. Let's taste it and we can say yummy. You ready?
Oh, thank you. Ah.
Here, let me use my wife. Let me try me as well.
So good.
Very nice.
Yes, definitely. This is really
Oh, I put a little bit turmeric. You see the color? Very nice, guys. You guys want to go try and let me know if you like my recipe. The tawa plays big role too. You have to have a nice big grill, a tawa to make rava dosa. You can make it in our house too. In your home, the small one.
Yeah.
But don't put too much, like a little bit. Make sure keep the same recipe. If you guys like it, please let me know how is my recipe and how did it come out. Okay.
For me, it came out really great.
Okay. Yeah, she tried.
Love rava dosa. This was my husband's recipe. What is your recipe? Leave your comment down below and share that with us.
Bye.